It's there. That's my AFR gauge. See, it has a red key and that's a red circle and a red key. That's because I don't have the Pro Set features unlocked on this hptuners module I have. What's up with y'all YouTube family, man? So I got a question on IG about a dude. He's trying to figure out how to do the remote tuning on his car. So this is everything you need right here to do remote tuning on your car. You just need a laptop. This is an old laptop. All I got on here is download hptuners. You don't need nothing fancy. You just need a cheap laptop. You need internet connection. So if you don't got a mobile hotspot, or you don't got a garage where you could pull in like I do, you gotta find somewhere that has internet, because you have to go on. They're gonna have like a they're gonna have you download either TeamViewer or any remote thing, where if they're remote tuning it like that, street tuning, they might try and control your laptop to use it. I'll show you the programs. I'll put 2 on the screen. I'll show you when I start getting on the computer. Or they just might have you get on hptuners, data log, and send them the file. It depends. I don't know, however your tuner likes to do it, but I'm just gonna show you the process of how to do it. It's really quick. I'm gonna be straightforward. So this is an older one. I found out the hard way that the Pro Set and the regular hptuners look exactly the same, but the Pro Set is an extra $250 option that I'll show you on the screen here. And what that allows you to do is use all kinds of aftermarket gauges to record AFR, which is very important when you're doing remote tuning. Because in-house tuning, they put they put exhaust, like exhaust tube inside your exhaust to get AFR, and you don't need a gauge when you get in-house tune. I'm gonna show you the one that I use. I bought this from my buddy. It's the AFX NGK gauge. I didn't want all the extra gauges in my car. As you can see, it's a clean look. So whenever I start, I pulled the wires through my door, through there, and you can hook it up to this. And then you got the AFR. Yeah, and then when I'm done, I just put it back in here. Well, it's dark, but I put it back inside my glove box. So first things first, you go get in the car. Well, you gonna ask your tuner what he wants you to do. Whether you're doing TeamViewer or you just recording, data logging, and sending him the files. So what you wanna do is you wanna turn your laptop on. You wanna stick this in the OBD2 port. Stick it on the OBD2 port. Give me 1 second. Boom. So it lights up. My stupid computer got an update. I haven't turned it on in a long time. So I'm gonna let that update real quick and I'll get back to y'all. No, it's really easy. So I'll also show y'all exactly here on the screen what to go to download hptuners, which one you need. If you have a Camaro that's 2017 and below, you gotta get the original hptuners. But if you got like a 2017 and up, which got the 10 speeds, or just I think if you got a manual, you can use the older one too. But I think any of the new cars, you need internet to tune them and stuff. So you gotta go 2017 and up. It should say it on there. It's like, it say like experimental or something like that. I'll show you on the screen. But so yeah, I'm gonna show you what to do once you get it all plugged up. This gotta go in. You gotta connect your computer to the OBD2 and the module, and I'll show you. Trying to hurry before my camera die. Okay, so I got the computer on. I gotta put this inside of the OBD2. It's on there like so. It's plugged into the computer. And what you wanna do is, so I'm using, I believe the VCM scanner is just one scanner. It don't matter if you got the new one or not. So I got mine all set up. So what you're gonna do when you get in here, you just go put the car in accessory mode. So you hold it down without your foot on the pedal. All right. You do it like so. It's in accessory mode now. So before this, what you're gonna do is you're gonna connect to the vehicle. See, it's connected. But before you do any of this, you're gonna like write the vehicle. So like before you do anything to your car, before you do any tuning or any of that, I will go to the editor. Hold on. I think it's VCM editor. Okay, so you got VCM editor. So we gonna load that guy up real quick. So when you got the editor up, first things first, you're gonna read the vehicle. You're gonna read the vehicle. I'm just gonna do it just to show y'all. Okay, see, all this is gonna pop up. See, I got 2017 plus. and the TCM for some reason not popping up, but we gonna go there. So we can't tune the transmission anyways because I don't have it unlocked. But what you would do is you would just read. It will read everything. See, it take 2 minutes. Okay, we back. Got about 30 seconds left. And I'm also gonna show y'all why it's important and why you need the Pro Set. And I'm gonna show you the problems I ran. Excuse me, the problems I ran into not having a Pro Set. And I had to use my buddies with the Pro Set. But I think the new one that's coming out, the hptuners, HPV3 or whatever it is, it comes with the Pro Set already in the Pro Link already. So yeah, so boom, it's red up. See, since I don't have the TCM unlocked. And see, look, you would save this. You would name this stock file before you start doing anything in your car. Always save your stock file. Okay, and that's pretty much it there. And you should save your stock file. So let's get out of the editor. That's also, oh, let me show you. So if you go back in there, this is also when they send you the files, you're gonna open up some. So let me just see if I got something on here. See, I might not have. Okay, I just got files on here. So I'm just gonna open up one just to open it. So you will open up the tune that they send you, right? And after you open it, you would write it to the car. I'm not gonna write it because I already have my tune on my car. So you would write it to the car, and boom, and then you would turn on the car. It's gonna do a weird thing where it don't want to start. All you would do is just hold it into accessory mode. You hold it into accessory mode and then you start the car. Or you can open the door and close the door, but you can hold accessory mode and then start the car. Pretty much after that, that's just like to get the file off the car and put the file on the car. And so I'll just show y'all right here. So when they tell you the data log, you know, they gonna tell you. Actually, before I show you how to data log and stuff, I'm gonna show you, like, see, this is the module that I have. My car will not read because I don't have the right one. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like when you don't have a Pro Set on your car. So what you gonna see is, I'm gonna click start scanning, right? I'm gonna tap to start scanning, and it's gonna disappear. It's gonna disappear because it can't read because I don't have the Pro Set. So like when you see when I take it off. When you disconnect from the car and then you reconnect to the car, it's there. That's my AFR gauge. See, it has a red key and that's a red circle and a red key. That's because I don't have the Pro Set features unlocked on this hptuners module I have. I can keep this when I can upgrade it later. But if you get the 3, I think, or you get the Pro Set added to this, which is an extra $250, so you need that. It's very important. But when you click start scanning, you gonna turn on the car, all this stuff gonna move, and it's gonna just record whatever your car does. And then whatever pulls they want you to do, if they want you to idle and hold it up to like 3,000 and whatnot, whatever they want to do, you do that. And then when you're done with that, you're gonna press stop scanning. You're gonna save your file, and you're gonna send it to them, and they gonna send it back, and you gonna continue to do that back and forth whenever they're done. So yeah, if you don't have an AFR gauge, you want to get one, because don't remote tune without an AFR gauge. I did it before. Stuff just don't get dialed in right. They might be close, but it's not gonna be right. And yeah, man, that's pretty much it. If you got any other questions, you can message me on Instagram or whatnot. Yeah, man, that's it for today's video. I was just answering the question that I got on Instagram. So keep the questions coming, man, so I can make more videos. And the truck, working on the truck, the engine's right there. I gotta get it sent off to get bored and all that good stuff. And yeah, man, I got more update videos coming soon. Got more stuff coming soon that we're doing to the truck and stuff. And that's pretty much it for today's video, man. Peace. Hope that helped you out.